Welcome back to, in today's video, we're diving into the world of high-quality phone protection with a detailed review of the latest iPhone Max case. Whether you're rocking the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the iPhone 16 Pro Max, this case promises top-notch protection and style. We'll explore its standout features, including its sleek design, durability, and how well it integrates with MagSafe for a seamless experience. Plus, I'll share my honest thoughts on whether it's the right choice for keeping your device safe and looking sharp. So, if you're looking to upgrade your phone's protection, or just curious about what makes this case stand out, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let's get into it.
G-Tech case for iPhone 13 6.1-inch non-yellowing shockproof phone bumper cover. Protect your iPhone 13 with the G-Tech non-yellowing shockproof case. Designed for ultimate durability and style, this premium bumper cover features advanced shock absorption technology, safeguarding your device from drops and impacts. Its crystal clear design showcases the sleek look of your phone without turning yellow over time. The slim, lightweight profile ensures a comfortable grip, while precise cutouts offer easy access to buttons and ports. Made with high-quality TPU materials, this case promises long-lasting clarity and protection. Experience the perfect balance of defense and elegance with the G-Tech case.
Elevate your iPhone 13 with the Ornardo Slim Liquid Silicone Case in chic chalk pink. This premium cover offers a 3-layer full protection design, combining soft gel rubber with a smooth silicone finish for a comfortable grip. The slim profile maintains your phone's sleek look while providing durable protection against scratches, drops, and daily wear. The microfiber lining inside ensures your phone stays in pristine condition, while the precise cutouts provide easy access to all ports and buttons. Stylish and functional, this case is perfect for those who want a minimalist yet highly protective design.
Introducing the Ornardo, compatible with iPhone 13 case. In stunning chalk pink, the perfect fusion of elegance and protection, this is slim liquid silicone case. Features a unique 3-layer design combining full coverage with a soft gel rubber for enhanced durability and a snug fit. Its sleek 6.1-inch size ensures a slim profile without sacrificing protection. The chalk pink hue adds a touch of chic sophistication, making your iPhone stand out. With precise cutouts and responsive button covers, you get easy access to all your phone's features. Enjoy superior grip and a smooth feel in your hand, while the case shields your device from drops and scratches. Elevate your phone's style and safeguard it in one stylish package.
Elevate your iPhone 13 experience with the Tori 3-in-1 magnetic case, offering superior protection without sacrificing style. This sleek case features military-grade drop protection, ensuring your device stays safe from everyday bumps and falls. The MagSafe compatibility allows for seamless wireless charging and secure attachment of accessories. With its anti-yellowing coating, your case maintains a crystal clear look over time. The package also includes a screen protector and a camera lens protector, giving your iPhone 13 360-degree coverage. A perfect blend of durability, convenience, and style for everyday use.
Protect your iPhone with the OtterBox Commuter Series case, crafted for the iPhone 15, iPhone 14, and iPhone 13. This sleek, black, slim, and tough case offers maximum protection without the bulk. The dual-layer design guards against drops, bumps, and everyday wear while keeping your device lightweight and pocket-friendly. Its soft inner layer absorbs shocks, while the hard outer shell defends against scratches and impacts. With easy access to ports and buttons, this case combines style, durability, and functionality, making it a must-have for everyday use.